When considering a bathroom remodel to accommodate a wheelchair, one of the most significant changes you can consider is installing a curbless shower. This type of shower offers unparalleled accessibility, eliminating the barrier that can make showering a challenge for those with mobility issues. However, understanding the cost implications of such a remodel is crucial for planning and budgeting purposes. The cost for a wheelchair curbless shower remodels typically ranges from $10,000 to over $15,000, varying widely based on project scale, materials, labor costs, and additional accessibility features included to meet the specific needs of the user. This guide aims to provide a detailed overview of the expenses associated with a wheelchair curbless shower remodel, covering everything from basic considerations to labor costs, materials, and additional features that might affect the overall price. When planning a wheelchair-accessible curbless shower remodel, several basic considerations form the foundation of your project's scope, design, and eventual success. These considerations ensure the remodel meets both the user's needs and regulatory standards, providing a safe, functional, and comfortable space. Here's a closer look at these foundational elements. User needs and accessibility requirements, mobility device accessibility, safety features, height considerations, space and layout, shower size, bathroom layout, water containment and drainage, slope and drainage, waterproofing, materials, durability and maintenance, aesthetics versus functionality, budget, initial cost estimates, financial planning, professional assistance, hiring experienced contractors, design consultation. Labor costs can vary widely depending on your location, the expertise of the contractors, and the project's complexity. It typically accounts for a significant portion of the overall cost, ranging from 40% to 60% of the total budget. The choice of materials plays a pivotal role in determining the cost. Options range from basic tiles to high-end stone or custom designs. Additionally, waterproofing materials, a critical component of curbless showers to prevent leaks and water damage, can also affect the price. Several features and considerations can influence the final cost of a curbless shower remodel for wheelchair accessibility. These include size and layout, plumbing adjustments, shower doors, customization, flooring and drainage. Creating a detailed cost breakdown for a wheelchair-accessible curbless shower remodel can help you understand where your money is going and identify areas where you might be able to save. This breakdown considers various essential aspects of the project, from initial planning to the final touches. 1. Design and planning, $500 to $2,000. Consultation fees, plans and permits. 2. Demolition and removal, $1,000 to $2,500. Labor for demolition, disposal fees. 3. Materials, $2,000 to $8,000. Flooring and tiles, waterproofing materials, plumbing fixtures, shower doors or curtains. 4. Labor, $3,000 to $7,000. Plumbing work, tile installation, waterproofing application. 5. Additional features, $1,000 to $5,000. Customization, shower system upgrades, accessibility features, lighting. 6. Unexpected costs, $500 to $2,000. Structural adjustments, repairs. While this breakdown provides a framework for understanding the costs associated with a curbless shower remodel, prices can vary significantly based on location, the complexity of the project, and the choice of materials and fixtures. It's wise to allocate an additional 10 to 20% of your total budget for unexpected expenses that arise during remodeling projects. Getting multiple quotes from contractors and considering where you might be able to compromise on materials or features can help manage costs without compromising on the overall goal of creating a safe, accessible bathroom space. Remodeling a bathroom to include a wheelchair-accessible curbless shower is a significant investment that enhances safety and accessibility. While costs can vary widely based on several factors, careful planning and consideration of your specific needs and budget can help ensure a successful project. By understanding the various components that contribute to the overall cost, you can make informed decisions that align with your financial and accessibility goals.